At DL Gas Maintenance Ltd, we are committed to delivering safe, reliable and high-quality plumbing, gas and maintenance services across London and the South East. Whether it's a routine boiler service, emergency repair, or a full bathroom renovation, our team of fully certified Gas Safe and WaterSafe engineers ensures every job is completed with professionalism, precision, and care. Founded on the principles of trust, transparency, and customer satisfaction, DL Gas and Maintenance is dedicated to providing peace of mind for homeowners, landlords, estate agencies, councils, and builders alike. Our services include gas and electric boiler installation, servicing and repairs, plumbing and heating maintenance, landlord safety certificates, bathroom installations and renovations, emergency call-outs and rapid response services. What sets us apart is our commitment to safety, compliance, and excellence. Every engineer is fully qualified, insured, and rigorously trained to meet the highest standards, while our 12-month labour guarantee and premium parts ensure lasting performance. We don't just fix problems, we provide solutions you can trust. We pride ourselves on transparent pricing, clear communication, and responsive service, making every interaction smooth, professional, and stress-free.